What are you seeing?
Hey there, Christina. So out here on the lakefront, take a look. You can see there is plenty of water. This area, it is shut down to traffic. I want to show you as well. Take a look at the waves kind of crashing over too. They've actually kind of calmed down in the past couple of minutes. They were much higher not long ago, but you can see right there, they are kind of creeping up a bit. I have checked in with parish leaders. They say really some of the areas that are seeing some flooding just like this, it's in the low-lying coastal, usual areas like the Mandeville Lakefront, Bayou Liberty, and Slidell, and the Madisonville Lakefront too. But you can see really all throughout this area a lot of water. We've been speaking to some people. They were hoping to come out and enjoy the lakefront. They had to turn around because the barricades are set up. If we pan over, you can see some of the barricades right over there that the law enforcement has set up out here in Mandeville. But again, it's expected. A lot of people who live out here, they tell me, of course, this is going to happen when we do see, heavy rain throughout the week and the wind not helping the situation, but everybody out here keeping a positive attitude. We'll keep you posted all throughout the day. Reporting live, I'm Aubrey Killian, WDSU News.
All right, Aubrey, thank you. From the North Shore to the South Shore, you got to take a look at this flooding in the Plaza. This is at US 51. My goodness, you can see that water creeping up on the road. We also know several roads in St. John are closed because of high water. If you want to find a list of road closures right now, just head to our website, WDSU.com.